How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. So if you are struggling with the Facebook Marketplace on your phone, whether on Android or iPhone, you discover that the Facebook Marketplace is not coming up on the taskbar. On iPhone, you also open your iPhone and then the Facebook Marketplace is not also coming up here. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this either on Android or on iPhone. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook app. If you're using an iPhone, just click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and if you're using an Android, click on the menu icon at the top right. While on the menu, just scroll down and then click on See More. Then here you should see Marketplace, click on it. Then you can just go ahead, explore the Marketplace on your Facebook account. However, if you want to add the Facebook Marketplace to your phone taskbar, either on Android or iPhone, go ahead and click on the Facebook menu icon at the top right or at the bottom right, depending on the device. Once you click on that, scroll down. Click on Settings and Privacy here to expand the menu. Then come here and click on Settings. Once you select Settings, scroll down the page. On the Settings page, until you get to Preferences. Under Preferences, locate Taskbar and click on it. Then here, click on Customize Taskbar. Now locate Marketplace and click on the drop menu opposite it. Choose Pin. Then once you selected Pin, then you should see Marketplace pinned. Then you can now hit the back button to go back to your home screen. Then once you hit the back button, then you should see the Marketplace here. And you are good to go. You can now go ahead to start exploring the Marketplace on your Facebook account. So when next you want to use the Facebook Marketplace, you can just go ahead, open the Facebook app, and then you should see the Marketplace added to the taskbar on your Facebook. So that is basically how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing or missing on your phone. So if you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.